Whoa, she has got some super long hair and decided to switch it up with this gorgeous asymmetrical pixie. Love it. I love how much volume this cut has. Very cute style. So here we have someone that looks like she's cutting off all of the... Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, such a cute pixie makeover. So beautiful. So here we have someone with long hair. So the stylist cuts the hair off and bam, another gorgeous pixie. So pretty. So here we have someone, she already has kind of like short hair, but she decided to cut it shorter with the pixie style, kind of giving more of like that shaggy pixie look here. And we have someone here with the shoulder length hair. Looks like she has an undercut, pop of purple going. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this bob. I love the colors mixed in here with the bangs. Wow, this is so beautiful. So here we have someone with the shoulder length hair and bam, another shaggy pixie look here with this one. And the shaggy pixie is a great style for volume, by the way. So here we have someone actually styling their pixie. Looks like she's doing the half up, half down style with the twist going. Very cute. This would be a great hair option to try if you want to like mix things up and do something different with your hair. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.